heaps of content. As once again, the Canopy King has been proven to be the content king as well. Low energy today, John. I'm telling you, man. I didn't even shave morning, so I'm looking like an uncle that your parents tell you to stay away from when you're little. You know what I mean? Old mate's been unmarried 20 years and it's not out of choice. Is it supposed to be? Is it out of choice or not out of choice? I don't even know. Let's go around. Let's talk about some of the jobs that we've got today. Right, let's talk about some of these utes. Let's do some ute reviews. Ute reviews with Chris on this lovely whatever day it is. Thursday. Can anyone believe that it's August? It's August now. The year is absolutely flying. It's ridiculous. This one, Mitsubishi Triton, next gen, if you want to call it. You know, Ford just started that next gen moniker. Now we've been using it for every new ute that's coming out. But anyway, this is the MV Triton, right? You can tell it's an MV Triton because it's uglier than the one that's that it replaced. You know what I mean? I don't know. Beauty is in eye in the beholder, but I think this one objectively looks a little bit rough. I don't know. Anyway, it comes with this sailplane to make it some kind of attempt to make it look better, but we're going to make it look better by putting our tow bar on it. Well, look, you know, I don't know whether or not you can do as much. You can do much with it, with an MV Triton in regards to the visuals. You can do what you can, but at the very least, you can add some utility to it with a tow bar. Come around, John. Show the people the tow bar again. Look at that. Following up on our quality construction. This is the quality construction that you want to see. This is the quality bits and pieces that we put on the vehicles, right? Nothing but the best. Australian-made lifetime warranty. What else we got? We got this Amarok, all right? Let's have a look at this one, white Amarok, right? Some people say if it ain't white, it ain't right. That's what some people say. Not me though. I'm just repeating. I'm just repeating what some people say. You know what I mean? Say what you will about the KKK. They've got some great names, great titles, right? Grand Wizard. That's hard. You can't deny that. That's hard as fuck. All right. So here, I'm not supporting anyone. I'm just pointing out humor and hilarity where I see it. You know what I mean? But if some 60-year-old dude comes up to me talking about how he's some grand wizard, I'm going to laugh because that's fucking funny. More importantly, tell me. Yeah, that's all right. Tell me. Should I know about the booking for...
Well, he wants to cancel it.
Yeah, that's all right.
But
that's all right.
He's asked, can we possibly match a price or give him a bit of a discount with the leftover that we have? Do I just do cash price?
With the leftover, who wants to cancel the...
Like, well, no, he'll do it if we can give him a bit of a bigger discount.
We can't. Well, it's not
I
worth
haven't
it.
even taken a discount off, like, with the card. That's card price.
Yeah, that's the card price.
Give him a cash price?
Look, if you do the cash price, right? You know what I mean? Just do about...
$200 off?
Yeah, do two. If he's happy to do 200. So what was the total?
6,950 something.
6,950 something, right?
Take off his $500 deposit.
Yeah, that's it.
6,454 now.
That's it. Bella, look, just do $200 off of cash. If it's anything more, if it's anything less. If he wants, he can just do the bull bar. If he doesn't want to do the bull bar, that's all well and good, all right? Too easy. All right. Situation crises averted once again through my expert, nimble navigation of said situation. All right, so this one's getting a roller shutter. Come on through, John. All right, enough of this KKK talk. All right, we're going to be talking about rollers. We're going to talk about stuff that we know, all right? I don't know anyone from the KKK. I disavow the KKK. That's all right. We've got the microphone for a reason. Don't worry about the background noise. So roller shutter is going on to the Amarok. This one's getting a hard lid. Come around. You can see the absolute state that this ute is in. Right, so the tub line is really going to clean everything up. Have a quick look inside there, John. All right. And then this is the lid. This is the EGR Loadshield that's going to go on it. So a lot of work booked in for this morning. A lot of funny times, a lot of good times. Apart from that, we will also be doing an update, as usual, with the completed job. So we'll catch you then. good morning to the lovely people. All right, easy enough. So just going through our roller shutter that we were mentioning in the morning, that is now all fitted. You can see that we've also refitted the sports bar over here. Nice OEM finish, OEM quality, aftermarket prices. That's the phrase that you're going to keep on hearing. So this is the new Amarok. Have a look, John. Show the lovely people this brand new Amarok that's now just been improved with an OZ Canopies and 4x4 manual roller shutter. So quick run through of the product itself. What you do is you pull first, press the button. Once you press the button, it goes into its unlock mode. It'll want to roll all the way back. Once it rolls all the way back, it'll engage the locking mechanism. So now as I pull it back, it's going to stop in all its locking positions. 1, 2, 3. That's that Amarok done. I don't know if you can hear the phone is ringing, so I have to get to that. And we'll get to the other vehicles as they get finished as well. Peace. All right. Triton update. You know what? I'm going to have to take back what I said about the Triton. It's growing on me. It's growing on me, but I bet the video that I was there talking about it, now that's going to come back to haunt me. Have a look here at the BTA Towbar fitted. Let's give it to people. Look at that. What's that? 3.5 ton towing capacity, right? Australian made, lifetime warranty. I said it before, I'll say it again. You guys are going to get tired of hearing about it, right? And I think this one was done $900 fitted out the door. Like you heard it. Our prices are so low, they sound like they're mispriced. It's an accidental price. Have a look over here. All the electrics ready to go too. We're not that type of people, right? When we say Towbar fitted, we actually get all the bits and pieces, right? You get your 7-pin plug fitted, right? You get your D-links for your trailer. You've got a nice little anti-rattle, anti-lock hitch pin, you know what I mean? So even if you're out there living in the dodgy areas, no one's going to come around and steal your hitch. You know what I mean? These hitches, bro, they go for 20, 50 bucks a piece, you know? So for all you criminals out there, if you're looking to expand your criminal activity, just go ahead and steal these hitches and the balls. But too bad for you, you're not going to be able to steal any of the OZ Canopies and 4x4 stuff, right? Because our customers are too smart. They came to us and we put an anti-rattle and anti-theft hitch pin on it. So that's good. That's wrapping up the job for this Triton. And the long and short of it, the Hilux will be getting ready soon as well. So let's do a little bit of a wander over to this Toyota Hilux here, this SR. And we'll see what another magnificent job that OZ Canopies and 4x4 has done, fitting this EGR Loadshield. All right, boom. Let's have a look over here. EGR Loadshield, right? Look how much this opens up. It's like a magic trick. John. Oh, that's higher than most of your aspirations. That's higher than most of your goals. That's higher than most that you'll ever achieve in your entire life. But it's not too high. You know why? Because there's a nice convenient pull strap over here. So if you're even a little short fella, right, you can just sort of pull it down like this. But you know what? We're going to leave it up. All right. Other than that, I don't know if you guys recall it earlier in the vlog, but this car was absolutely screwed, the interior, right? The rear tub, and look at that, it was just basically cleaned it all up, fitting one of our liners. All right, this one, the Loadshield is really nice. Why? One, you got the loading capacity up to 100 kilograms. 2, it's very easy to unhook, right? John, if you want to get a quick look at those sort of front hinges there, all you have to kind of do is unhook the gas struts, lift it up, and then it'll basically unhook itself from those hinges at the front. What else do we got? We had a few little bits and pieces on this bad boy, actually. This one was a nice little sort of all-round job. Let's bring this down here for a second. Boom. All right, lovely. So I think we had some weather, no weather shields, but we had some bits and pieces at the front. Let's come around. We had the nudge bar. The way that it's parked right now, you can't really see much of it, but look, you know what? That's enough. So we got the nudge bar fitted, we got the tub liner fitted, we got the Loadshield fitted. So basically complete outfit here at OZ Canopies and 4x4. So that's another job done and dusted in the books. Once again, ozcanopies.com.au. You can have a look at our entire range. We fit, we deliver, we do all kinds of things when it comes to 4x4. So you go anywhere else, I don't know, you might be a Momo. Chris signing off this section of the vlog. Peace. All right, guys, checking in for the second half of the day. Today, what have we got? We've got a blue Hilux. Blue Hilux. Blue's the best color, apart from purple. Purple's the best color. Orange, then blue. Blue and green are equal third. This one's got tub liner going into it, and then afterwards we're going to actually get the tub slide in. Tub slide allows you to get some sort of hard to reach items all the way from the front of the tub to the back. It's a really, really nice product for accessibility, particularly on this one. This one's got a canopy fitted with sliding windows, obviously makes it a little bit difficult to access anything into the tub. These days are actually quite high as well, so it can make it quite annoying trying to get access from the side, even if you have a lift-up window canopy fitted. So for the missus, for yourself, for everybody involved, getting a tub slide is always a great idea, so it's going to be nice to see that. Now, this Triton, another MV Triton, this one. Black steel canopy, fitted, it's come together. So MV Triton steel canopy, if you're looking for a canopy, either fiberglass or steel for your MV Triton, ozcanopies.com.au, you know where to go. Have a look in there, John. Look at that. Look at the heavy duty. It exudes heavy duty. It exudes quality. It exudes exumption. Now another one, Mazda CX-5. This one is actually wrecking. So these this rebar going for $250. That's quite cheap. I'll get you the LED tail lights. These are $450 a piece. Nah, just kidding. We're not wrecking the vehicle. We're not selling parts off the vehicle. We're fitting a tow bar to it. You know what I mean? Hey, can't afford it. They can't afford it. I'm too expensive. You know? Sell me in a minute. So yeah, straightforward. Once again, CX-5, the Mazda CX-5, and also like, you know, Mazdas, all the modern Mazdas, the difficulty that they have is that they've got something called a active smart city braking, right? Which means that if you were to just sort of wire them up traditionally and put the car in reverse, the trailer, it detecting the trailer would stop the car from going. So what you have to do is you have to get a special kind of wiring that's got all its specialness, right? The special sauce, you know? You get a regular wiring, you dip it in special sauce, that makes a special wiring, right? These are the technical details that you get when you ask Oz Canopies, Chris from Oz Canopies at least. You can't ask the business doesn't talk. It's a separate type of entity. Anyway, so this one's getting a BTA tow bar on it, so that's going to come up quite nice, as it always does. It's going to be good to see how this one comes up as well. All right, peace. We'll check in the afternoon, in late afternoon. It's mid-afternoon at the moment. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, the big reveal. It's like that. It must be like a little, it really is for me. It feels like it's a Christmas period. Every day is like it's Christmas for me. If I keep saying it, then one day I'll believe it. Anyway, so we were talking about the tub liner. All right, tub liner, look at that, all fitted. It's going to keep this brand new ute looking brand new. We've got some people out there, a little bit of road rage happening as well. You know what I mean? It's always, anything can happen out here at Oz Canopies and 4x4. You know what I mean? As long as no one pulls a gun or dies, right? I reckon that's a good day. As a great warrior poet Ice Cube once said, if the day did not require an AK, then it was good. Anyway, back to our slide tray. Have a look over here, John. Boom. 1, 2, multiple locking positions. Look at that, latches in just like so. 350 kilograms loading capacity. I mean, it can't be beat, right? 695 fitted. Who's better than you? Really makes it Really versatile, really easy to use. The tub, groceries, tools, body bags, other type of bags, any kind of bags, right? So you can use whatever you like. So that's Chris signing out from this blue Hilux. I already touched base about the Triton and all that type of stuff. We've got one other job to wrap up today. That's going to be the Mazda CX-5. It'll be nice to see how that one comes together as well. Apart from that, like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends, you know. Don't make me make all these jokes for nothing. You know, hopefully I'm not making all these jokes for nothing and being entertaining for nothing. Like my stuff. Or if you don't like it, dislike it. I don't care. Leave a comment. If you don't want to comment, don't comment. I don't care. Anyway, Chris, Canopies 4x4 signing off. Bye.